Hello everyone and welcome to Get Organised Week on my channel. So I'm going to be doing a video every single day this week all about getting my life organised, because I feel like ever since having Elliot everything's gone a little bit crazy and I just haven't had the time to sort things out. So there's going to be a video every single day either decluttering a place in my house that really needs sorting out, or sharing with you some amazing storage solutions that I've recently found, and also giving you some tips and tricks and advice on things that I've picked up recently that I'm trying to implement into my life to get a little bit more organised. So it's January, it's the start of a new year, so I thought what better month to do this video in. I really hope you enjoy this week. There are some really good videos to come. So I thought I'd kick the week off by tackling something that has needed to be sorted out for so long, and that's of course my wardrobe. I haven't sorted this mess out since I was about 3 months pregnant with Elliot, and I pulled everything out that I knew I wouldn't be able to wear for probably the whole rest of the year plus. Anything tight, anything that was out of season, and I either put it away, I gave it to charity, I sold it, that kind of thing. But ever since then, which is about a year ago now, I have not sorted it out. So I've just been piling and piling more and more stuff in there, and it's got to the point, you know, where you can't really see anything, you can hardly fit anything else in, and I need to sort through it. So I thought we could do it together and it would just be a bit of fun. I could show you some of my favourite pieces. So again, I'm going to sort it out into categories. I'm going to have keep, that's going to stay in my wardrobe. I'm going to have charity. I'm going to have storage, so anything that I want that's maybe out of season but I think I will still wear when the time's right, I'm going to put that away. And I'm going to have bin. There may also even be a category for selling. I might start like a Depop or something, I'm not sure until I see what I've got, but I will let you know if I do that. So my aim is to get it down to 50 pieces, which sounds laughable. If you ever saw my closet tour video when I used to live at home, I'll try and insert a clip. I basically had the box room as a walk-in wardrobe. Sounds hilarious now. And I had rows of clothes. And you know me, I love a good Primark haul, I love a good splurge on ASOS. I don't think that's going to stop anytime soon. But nowadays I try and be a little bit more considerate of my purchases, and going forward I'm going to try even harder, because I would love to have, I mean, 50 pieces is not a capsule wardrobe by any means, but that really seems like a good amount to me. So I have some of these really nice pink and rose gold velvety hangers. I've got 40 of them, but I don't think I'm going to narrow it down to 40 things. We'll see, but I thought I'd give myself a little bit of leeway and go with 50. So I'm just going to show you the before and everything really that's in here, then I'm going to get crack on with organising it, and I can't wait to see how it all turns out. So let's go! Hello everyone. Okay, the mirror is filthy. Don't think that's been cleaned since I cleared this wardrobe out as well. That's disgusting. But the wardrobe looks like this. So it has a double on this side and a single on this side. And then opened up, it looks like this. So it has a rail along the top, and as you can see, it's just packed full. And then under here is where I keep some of my bags, and also this is like a storage compartment, like little divider set, which I probably will take out of here and put it to better use. And under here, I'm ashamed to say, are my shoes. Look at that. That's just awful and not how you should treat your shoes. So we're going to sort that problem out. On this side I just have more stuff, mainly my nice hangers are in this side, so I need to sort through all of that. And then I have more bags, and then down here is some of Elliot's stuff that I haven't put away into other parts of his room yet, so I'm going to sort that out and get rid of that. And yeah, hopefully get this looking a bit better. I'd love this side to be more for my bags and some accessories, and this side be for my clothes and some shoes, but we'll see how we go. You know that feeling that it's going to get so much worse before it gets better? That's how I feel right now. So let's just rip off the plaster and do it. Okay, so an empty hanger, good start. Let's chuck that down. These are the hangers that I'm talking about. I got them from Primark in packs of 10 for like £4 I think, and I might pick up more, but in saying that then I'll just have more clothes. So I'm going to put those in a pile because they're the ones that I want to keep, and then I'm going to put anything that I want to keep. So I really like this A-line skirt, and it's really difficult to hang things like that, so I'll just put those down in a little keep pile for a sec. Empty hanger. I love this skirt. It's from Sugar Hill Boutique, and I really wanted to wear it around New Year's Eve and do some photos, but the weather has been appalling. I really hope I get a chance to wear it before, you know, it's not really that time of the year for shimmery skirts anymore, but I love it nonetheless, and I definitely want to keep it. See, this is where the problem starts, isn't it? Because I just want to keep everything. Do you know the other issue is things that are in the wash, you think you've done really well, and then you realise like there's like 10 different things in the washing machine that you wear all the time, and then you add more stuff to your wardrobe. Right, this. Will I wear this summer? Haven't even worn it at all. It was £15 from Primark. This is the thing you may see from this video, is that I do buy quite a lot that I don't ever wear. So if you don't like people that do that, then you may want to turn this video off right now, because you'll probably hate me. This, I think, yeah, that I won't wear again, so that can go to the charity shop. Stay up late. Things we have to do. This is maternity. So now I guess I need to think what I'm going to keep if I ever did have another baby, because I got rid of loads of my maternity stuff after I had Archie, and then when I got pregnant with Elliot, I just thought, why did I do that? Will it be in fashion if and when I have another baby? That's the question. There's no way we'll be forgetting this. Oh, see, this is the problem, because I have sentimental things. So this is something that I wore for a little photo shoot when I was pregnant with Elliot, and I've obviously never worn it out or since, and I'm pretty sure I will never wear it again, but it's like a fairy dress, like an angel dress. I know I'll never wear it again, but I know I also won't be able to part with it. It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length. This is actually a really lovely blazer from River Island, which I do think I would wear again. It's really nice for meetings or like doing something, you know, worky related where you have to be a bit more smart. But it's still fun because it's pink, so I think I'll probably keep that. Would you like to go? You love the view from up there, I know. This is like one of my favourite dresses. It really needs to be dry cleaned, and it really reminds me of a self-portrait dress. It's so beautiful, and I wore this when I did a campaign with Clarabella. So again, it has really good memories for me. And I definitely want to keep it. I'd love to wear this. It's just like the perfect holiday dress or something. But again, not really any point of keeping it in my wardrobe right now, so I'm going to pack it away. Okay, this I haven't actually worn all winter, but I think I should pull it out because it's just beautiful. I did wear it last winter because I wasn't like fully pregnant then. I was just pregnant, so I need to keep this. This is like the perfect princess tutu skirt, and I definitely want to keep this because I have such a good idea for a photo shoot that I want to do and an outfit for it. Like this kind of thing is just classic. Obviously you don't wear it day to day, but I love it so much. And I think I'll probably keep it in my wardrobe, probably like this, because you just can't fold something like that, and it does take up a lot of room. It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length of the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting this. This I'm just not sure about anymore. I do like it, but it's very like flamenco-y. and it's quite small as well.
Small talk over the summer breeze, out of safe songs, finding hidden caves, all the whetstones shaped by the ocean waves. It's a night to stay up late, things we have to do can't wait.
So this is where I'm up to so far. This pile is for the charity shop or selling or binning. I've got to go through it properly. This pile is to keep. Archie's helping me sort out some hangers. I always found some bubbles. I've just been doing a little bit of organising, and I thought it'd be a good idea to actually keep this in here for any accessories that I want to grab or see what it looks like with an outfit. So I've just got some sunglasses back here, which I actually do still wear quite a bit in the winter because of the low sun. Then I have belts. Back here I have some costume jewellery and some more sentimental jewellery in here. I don't really reach for this stuff very often. I keep the jewellery that I wear on my dressing table, but I just like to keep it safe. And then I've got belts, and then I've got these faux suede gloves, and also this Kate Spade purse, which I don't use that much anymore because I have the large version of it, but I like to keep it just in case I need to use a smaller bag. This works really well in there. So yeah, there are some accessories that I have, and I'll probably just keep this at the bottom of this part of the wardrobe. So this is where I'm up to, an empty rail in the single wardrobe, and then I've organised all my bags and got rid of a few. These are my Kate Spade bags and my little camera bag that I use quite a lot, and there's a few in the back now that I use less, and a little hat. And then down here I have my clutch bags because I tend to use these quite a lot, and obviously different colours for different outfits and stuff. This is my Shein Chloe inspired bag. Then at the back I have some larger bags and a rucksack, and like bags that I just use less often, so they're in there. And then under here I've managed to put the 2 boxes that are full of nail varnishes and makeup away. I'm going to sort this out, but it's going to take too long to do today, so that's just there for now, but that will be another bit of storage once that's sorted. Then I've got to tackle this mammoth job of sorting out my shoes. I'm really trying to be a bit more ruthless with the ones I'm keeping. And then yeah, I'm just going to put everything that I'm keeping back in the wardrobe and organise it into categories. So it may not look organised, but I've got boots. These are all like barely there heels or block heels, and I do have a fair few of this kind of shoe because they're the ones that I will always pick when I go out somewhere. So I have quite a lot of colours of them. More boots, some brogues which I don't really wear. These mango shoes which I adore. But when do you ever wear them? This is the thing, like, I've never worn them, but I just can't part of them. They're so cute, and obviously they're the Gucci dupes. More boots, don't really have enough boots, don't think. Summery flip-flops, and then more brogues. Some mules, which I really liked last summer, but really don't know. How do I organise this? What do I do? What do I do? Okay, I'm going to be ruthless and get rid of a few, and I think I'm going to keep some more summery ones under the bed in a box because I don't need those right now, and then get rid of a few other pairs that are a bit ropey. So proud of me. I'm so glad you're watching me do this because I would not be being like this if I was just doing this without you guys watching. So basically what I've done is at the back I've got all of my court shoes, or like strappy shoes and block heel shoes, and then a few other pairs that I wear quite a bit. And then across the front I've got my favourite pairs of boots because obviously it's that kind of time of year. So there's 5 pairs of boots. Luckily I've got very small feet, otherwise I would not even fit that amount in there, but they're really organised now. And then what I did is these 2, I thought I don't want to put them under the bed because they're so pretty, so every time I open the side of the wardrobe I'll see them. So even if I'm not wearing them all the time, at least they're on display, they're not being crushed, and they just make me feel happy when I look at them. Da 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 da! Here is the finished wardrobe. I'm really, really pleased. I've got to say, I'm very proud of what I've managed to get it down to. So if you want to have a little guess at how many pieces I managed to slim my wardrobe down to, then pause the video here and write it in the comments now if you want to play along. Okay, have you done it? Are you back? Okay, there is a grand total of 68 items. Now, that's not the 50 that I wanted, but I am very impressed with that. I don't think I've ever just had 68 items of clothing in my wardrobe, ever. So that's amazing. They're all spread out. I can get to everything, I can see everything, and it's all organised. So I know it's quite zoomed in, so I'll stand back a bit. So here is long jumpsuits and skirts and dresses that are quite long, so they go along into dresses, and then here is skirts, blouses, and then I had to stop myself when I started putting the jumpers in thickness order, which I think is going a bit too far, but I've got like my thinner knits here all the way up to chunky knits, and then at the end I have like my gilet and blazers and that kind of like jacket coat type thing. Then I've got my accessories organised in there like I showed you before. And then also I've already shown you the shoes, so I won't go over that, but that looks amazing compared to what it looked like before. This side looks exactly the same, no clothes up there, bags and a hat, clutch bags and other bags, and a couple of pairs of shoes and some makeup which I need to sort out still. I'm so pleased with everything, how everything looks, how everything's organised, and most importantly how I've really minimised how much stuff I have. So yes, I think that is a job well done. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and then if you really like it, maybe I could do one in the spring summer when I switch all this out for my spring summer clothes to see if I've kept it up. And I think what I'm going to do as well is if I start to put clothes on this rail, then I'll know that it's getting a bit too full, and then I'll do another clear out. So I think that's quite a good way to deal with the amount of stuff. So yeah, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you're not already, and make sure to stick around for the rest of the week because there'll be lots more decluttering and organisational videos coming up for you, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye guys!